Hi there, in this video, you will learn about how to automate recurring out-of-office replying in Gmail with xFanatical foresight. Gmail doesn't support automated recurring out-of-office replies, making it tedious and error-prone to manually activate the vacation responder every weekend, evening, or holiday. This can lead to missed messages, unhappy clients, and reduced credibility, especially for businesses needing different replies for different times or days. That's where xFanatical foresight comes in. xFanatical foresight automates recurring out-of-office replies in Gmail with flexibility and precision. Whether it's weekends, after hours, or custom schedules, foresight ensures consistent, hands-free communication that reflects your availability, so your inbox keeps working, even when you're not. Let's dive in and see how it works. Sign into xFanatical foresight with your Google account. Go to the Templates page. Search for Automated Recurring Out-of-Office Reply in Gmail template and click on it. In the Automated Recurring Out-of-Office Reply in Gmail page, click Copy Rule. For the first-time use of the template rule, and dialog action needed will display requesting necessary permissions required to copy the rule. Click Connect with Google and authorize the permissions. Upon authorization, a dialog titled Copy of Automated Recurring Out-of-Office Reply in Gmail will display. In the Recurring Time screen and Start Time, update the default time to the first occurrence of vacation responder to be turned on. Optional and End Time, set time for ending the recurring O automation. Click Next. In the If Action screen, update Monday to Thursday and Friday branches based on your recurring out-of-office hours. Optional, click Add Branch and set new branches using current day of week variable for a variety of email responses. Click Update Vacation Responder Action. In Subject, customize the subject of the automated email response for O. In the email body, customize the body content of the automated email response. Click Update Vacation Responder 1 action from Rule Graph. In Subject, customize the subject of the automated email response. In the email body, customize the body content of the automated email response. Click Review. In the Review screen, customize the automation rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Verify automation. In order to guarantee that your rule configuration automates as intended, it is imperative to conduct a basic test. The steps outlined below demonstrate how xFanatical foresight automates the process of recurring out-of-office replies in Gmail without any hassle. Note, for demonstration purposes, please set the start time field in the recurring times triggered to 15 minutes from now. Optional, sign into Gmail. At the top right, click Then, see All Settings, then Vacation Responder. Currently, the Vacation Responder Off setting is turned off. Wait until the configured trigger time. You will receive a notification in the top right. In the notification message, click View Log. In the Log Details page, the Rule History section explains the automation history and task xFanatical foresight has automated on behalf of your Google account. Optional, send an email to yourself from another account. The sender's Gmail inbox will receive a personalized out-of-office reply message. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. Please visit xfanatical.com.